Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. Today I'm going to be guiding you through an easy step-to-step process on how to delete Rocket League account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Tap on the settings button or the gear button from the main homepage of Rocket League appearing at the top right. Now tap on the other settings button in the expanded menu. You'll be able to see delete my account link at the bottom on the next page. Tap on it and it'll take you through the deletion process for the account. You'll end up in the main homepage of epicgames.com. You'll need to sign into your account like you normally do by entering your email address followed by the password. Finally, tap on the login now button. In order to delete your Rocket League account, you'll need to delete your Epic Games account. So in order to do that, simply go ahead and scroll down and tap on the request account delete button and follow the prompts. If you want to download the content from your account before deleting it, you can tap on this two-factor authentication link and verify your email address by enabling two-factor authentication. To delete your account, tap on request account delete and tap on delete account again in order to delete your Epic Games account. Soon after you do that, you'll need to confirm your account's deletion, so go ahead and type in the security code sent to your email address in the text box and tap on confirm account deletion. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to delete your epicgames.com account as well as the Rocket League account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.